Getting clicks, but zero conversions on Google Ads. What am I missing? Hi Ali, hello. I'm trying to figure out something odd with the Google search ads campaign targeted to the US and was hoping someone experienced in PPC could take a look. Oh, yeah. Sure, I will be able to give you a quick overview. I'm running a search ads for a B2B website design service. Okay, business to business website design service. The ads are getting clicks, but no one converts. Okay, start so far 47 clicks, 390 USD spent. Okay, let me do a CPC figure. 347. Okay, around $8 CPC. Okay. Oh yeah, oh sorry, you mentioned, I forgot. Average CPC around 8.34 USD. CTR 8%. Okay, so CTR is good. Okay, so this is the landing page and keywords are thing like, okay. So let me open the landing page. While the landing page gets loaded, let's discuss more. Keywords are things like B2B e-commerce website, B2B website design, website for manufacturers. CTR seems decent, so the ads are probably relevant, but something in the funnel is clearly failing. If you are open to give a quick, honest critique of the landing page or keyword targeting, I really appreciate it. Even a couple of blunt observations would help. Okay, so yeah, in a scenario where you are getting clicks but zero conversion in Google Ads, there can be many reasons, including the reason you pointed out of your landing page. First of all, the first thing, whenever there is a query like this, is your funnel working fine? Okay, you asked more regarding your landing page, but my question is your funnel working fine? I assume that it's working fine. For instance, when you try to open your start your website project and this is a booking your strategy call is working fine, so I assume it's working fine. Otherwise, this could be a reason as well. Now try to understand that the website designing is an extremely competitive, extra competitive niche on the Google Ads. Now everyone is almost trying to work on it, so it's not easy for anyone to win this over it. So you need to work or you need to come out something really special. So let's get started with this. First of all, with the ads, I'm going to show you an ad preview tool just to give you an example. Now this is a normal Audit ad you may see around over here in the Google. Now this is an ad what you see people on the Google. But if I add different ad assets to it, look around how attractive my ad has become. My ad has an authority, has advertiser ratings, trust, has an offers running over here. So ads like this do work around. Okay, I'm not saying that you got a good CTR. 8% is a good CTR. I mean, it's nowhere is the CTR is bad. CTR means that the people are liking your ad, but because it's an extremely competitive niche, so which is why also you're targeting to the whole US is not makes sense. So first of all, the ads should be with most possible ad assets. And if I were you, I would target small location, a city based offer, something like that would be an offer over here. And ads usually should be some case studies. I feel that case studies or stories, this is why where people buy around. So people need a reason on why they should get from you. Now I know that you are targeting on your landing page that you are get more qualified leads from Google who need a credible fast website, but no, this is not a case study. You can explain how Tim was able to multiply his sales using our website design or using our web designing services. So something like this, this actually wins your customer. This is how you can win your customer around. This is how you can win around. So I think that a number based story is going to win you around. uh, Plus I think that this lacks authenticity. No users reviews, no testimonials, no nothing, more like a generic offer. Doesn't sound credible. No authority. Why you? Are you Google certified? Any authority? Any case studies? Any testimonials, reviews? Yeah, finally, what people say about this. So finally, you got some reviews, but you can see around over here that this is not from Google, so it's something confusion over here. And I think our faces would here bring more trust, authenticity over here. So I think that is lacking over here. And the second is that the second review line is not able to be read properly. So do you think that people are going to ask you for website designing service when your own website is not completed? No. So I think these are few of the things which are missing over here. And see around over here that you need to book a strategy call. So yeah, these are few of the things which are missing around. So this helps small cases. Then working around on heat map for user behavior, plus fraud clicks preventions, plus analytics tracking to see what people are looking around, then creating a negative or optimizing structures. But again, a location is need to be small, and then coming up with your offer or case study. And then this is a very competitive niche, so try to understand this is a very competitive niche overall. So yeah, you may have to suffer somewhere. So I hope this answers your question regarding why you are getting clicks but no conversions. But if still you need a professional audit, or if you want me and my team to help you in summarizing on why you are losing and how we can help you, sure, we can help you in optimizing your Google Ads. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we will love to help with you. We are a Google Ads partner company, and we help clients with Google Ads audit, setup, and management. You can, for a range of our services, you can simply visit our website with the name of AARSWEBS.com, which is also mentioned in the description of this video. So yeah, we look forward to working with you. Do hire us. Take care and bye bye.